Now, moving ahead for the bank branch audit planning. Bank branch audit planning की जब हम बात करेंगे, there are 3 steps under this category. First is planning, second performing, and third one is reporting. All 3 steps are very much necessary because अगर हमारी प्लानिंग अच्छी नहीं होगी, देन परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं होगी, और उसके बाद जब प्लानिंग एंड परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी नहीं है, देन रिपोर्टिंग अच्छी नहीं होगी. तो इन 3 पॉइंट्स, इन 3 बिंदु पर हमें फोकस करना है कि प्लान जब भी हम करें तो हमें बैंकिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी, बैंकिंग एनालिसिस, बैंक का सिस्टम, रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द लॉ, रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द आरबीआई, बैंकिंग लॉ, आईसीआई एंड अदर, सभी की रिक्वायरमेंट मुझे पता होनी चाहिए. देयर आफ्टर हम उसको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करते हैं, दैट इज परफॉर्मेंस. एंड थर्ड वन इज रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट. रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट इंक्लूड्स वी आर गिविंग 2 types of reports. One is independent audit report and second one is long form audit report. So how the observations we are reporting in reports is also challenging task. So we have to take care all those facts. So starting with planning, when we talk about planning involves 3 types of stages, where pre-commencement of audit, during the audit, and completion of the audit. Pre-commencement of audit, we have to see before start of the some groundwork, letter seeing information, changing scenario in the banking industry, RBI regulations and other standards, and important standard on auditing. These are the pre-commencement audit trail which required ki how we have to start groundwork and law requirements. Before we start some groundwork on the appointing authority, जब भी हमारे पास कोई बैंक ब्रांच ऑडिट आता है, then we give our acceptance letter to the appointing authority, engagement letter for scope of work as defined in SA 210, NOC, it means previous auditor se communication, if there is any changes, if there is any qualification, adverse remark in the last year report, then we should understand and discuss with the previous auditors. Basic information from the branch, हर ब्रांच में एक अलग मैं बात करूं, कुछ टास्क कम होते हैं, कुछ ज्यादा होते हैं. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नेचर ऑफ द वर्क at the branch level, we have to plan, design our program. Thereafter, evaluation of the internal controls, then prepare our audit program. Various letter, if we talk about letters, management declaration, we should keep it. वेरियस स्टैंडर्ड्स, अगर हम बात करें स्टैंडर्ड्स की, तो कौन कौन से हमारे ऑडिटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स एप्लीकेबल होते हैं. स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ ऑडिटिंग की एप्लीकेबिलिटी से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि हमारा कंपनी एक्ट सेक्शन 143 सबसेक्शन 9 से all the auditing standards which has been prescribed by ICAI will be applicable on the auditing. So if we are auditor of any bank also, bank branch, then we have to see which standards are directly applicable in the audit process. For example, if we see as a 200 basic principle governing an audit, term of engagement, in which engagement letter we have to obtain from the client. SA 220 talks about quality control for an audit of financial statement. Thereafter, audit documentation, already I have told you, we have to keep. SA 300 planning and audit of financial statement, how we have to plan, what information we have to keep in mind, what alternate audit procedures, these all are factors has to be covered. Knowledge of the business as per SA 310, क्योंकि जब तक हमें बैंक हम किसी भी ब्रांच एंटिटी का जब ऑडिट करने जा रहे हैं, हमें उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं पता होगी, तो हम उसको प्रॉपर्ली एनालाइज ऑडिट उसका नहीं कर सकते. आइडेंटिफाई एंड असेस द रिस्क एरिया, मटेरियल मिस स्टेटमेंट, मटेरियलिटी इन प्लानिंग एंड परफॉर्मिंग एन ऑडिट, व्हाट मटेरियल कॉन्सेप्ट. लाइक अगर हम बैंकिंग टर्मिनोलॉजी की बात करें तो बैंक में सबसे पहले हम एडवांस की बात करते हैं. एडवांस इज द मेन एसेट ऑफ द any branch, so we have to keep in mind what factors we have to taken care. Thereafter, risk assessment and internal control. These are the standards which are directly applicable on a audit.
Optotex, India's #1 GST platform, all because of your love and support, and it is exclusively free for tax professionals. So please, I would request everybody to use Optotex in their offices to reconcile ITC, to download all the beautiful reports we have, and it is trusted by 50,000 plus tax professionals now, who are serving their 1 million plus clients, right? So please make sure that all of you use Optotex in your offices. It will help you a lot. And what are the benefits? How does Optotex help tax professional making GST compliance simple? Sir, automatic reconciliation of ITC, auto fetching of data from 1st July 2017. So if you start using Optotex from today, then also you will be getting the data from 1st July 2017. This is the beauty of Optotex. Third, if you are using any other software, no problem, sir. You can simultaneously also use Optotex. In just 2 minutes, Optotex fetches all data from the government portal. We have got all the due respective approvals from the government, and all the data is fetched in your system for all your clients. You have 500 clients, 200 clients, single dashboard you will be able to see, right? This is the beauty. I think many of my tax professionals, the tax professionals present in the webinar using Optotex, everybody is saying it is very nice. Thank you so much for your love and support, sir. The full facility, opt-in, opt-out facility, IFF, everything is there in Optotex now. What are the differentiators? Live dashboard, multiple users, no installation required, automatic purchase reconciliation with 2A. What's more, you can view cash and credit ledger, download month-wise 2B, GST challan creation, download. Yes, the best part, I'm making an announcement here. We are making the challan payment also automatic now. It will be integrated to your net banking, whatever net banking you are using, and challan payment also you can do now from Optotex. Very soon we are bringing this feature. It took a lot of time for us to take all the approvals from the banks, but yes, we are bringing that features. Skipping this all the basic slides, because already many people are using, but still if you are not using, please do sign up. And support, we focus a lot on support. This is the phone number. If you want to note down, just call this number and he will guide you how to use Optotex. And sign up you can do yourself. It's just a 1-minute task, but please note down this number. You can call on this number. info@optotex.com is our email ID. YouTube pe we have demo videos. You can see the demo videos and then you can use Optotex. But I would suggest everybody to please start using Optotex. This is the software link, https://gst.optotex.com. Google Chrome browser. It works in desktop or laptop, right? So amazing facility we have given to you. So even from the technical aspect, we are trying to help you. So please utilize this benefit. Ashish ji, sir, rest all the software companies will run from the market as your Optotex. Ashish ji, our motive is not to make anybody run. Our motive is to serve the tax professional community, to help the tax professional community, make a GST platform, bring all of them together, scratch their brains, learn whatever the provisions are coming up, and work also. Let's make simple.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss important GST updates.